Hi, good to see you. This is Bo. There's a new thing that I tried, and it's this little notepad that would be really cute for kids and actually adults too. It's just a handy little thing, and it's a way to use up all this extra paper that I have. And all this is made up of is these coasters that you can get. You could get, I don't know how many I got in these, 50, 75 in a pack on Amazon, and they're just cardboard. And what I did, I glued two together to make it really strong. You could probably, all of these are all glued together. One of them could bend a little bit, but it would still work. But I glued two to make them stronger. If you don't have these or don't want to get them, you could use cardboard. And in anything firm that you could get. These happen to be 4 inches by 4 inches, which is a good size. And then you could use a pack of Post-its, or what I did was cut this paper down to 3 by 3, and then I just put a binding glue on top, which is kind of a rubbery glue, so that these papers peel off like kind of like a Post-it in a way. And then, so I just painted it, decorated it. This will be more for a child. I'm going to give these at the end of the year to the Samaritan's Purse, children's Christmas shoe boxes, that they fill with various things for kids. And I already have the coasters. I have lots of paper. I have actually plenty of these, and all I did was put a little bit of matching paper, hot glue it on here, and I'm going to see if I can put a pencil in here, or as I make these, see if I can somehow get like a pencil attachment on here. Otherwise, I'll just offer some pencils in these boxes too. Now, the paper that I'm using, this is the beginning of 2025. But every year I end up with a calendar, because I still like paper calendars versus the phone, relying totally on the phone. And these are all pages back from 2023. And of course, you pick calendars that you like. You're attracted to the style. And then I can't throw these pages away, these dividers, and I've kept them. And these are so cute. And if you glue them down, you'll never see the other side. And they're just really good paper. And then, I'll use these to make cards or punch out hearts, or use them to decorate. But I've kept these, and because they're just really nice. And like, even though this says kind, if you were to cut this, it's still usable. Some of these I have cut down to 4 by 4. And then I've rounded the corners, and then they end up kind of matching the coaster, kind of like this. And I could paint this, don't have to paint this, since this almost fits. I made it short deliberately so it wouldn't overlap. But this is just a calendar page. But some of these, they do have words on them, but you can't tell what they are. They're just part of the design when you cut them down. And then I have little bits. I thought this would be cute to be for a gold clip. So I don't know. I just keep all these things till I can think of how to use them. This is kind of a clip paper template that'll fit onto here, so that when I go to cut it, I don't have to keep remeasuring and cutting down. So I've kind of cut that, prepared that. And then I painted, because I have a lot of paint. I thought, well, try to use it up and just get it down to the certain colors that I need and can combine, instead of having so many different paints. So I thought these would be good for boys. These are 2 coasters glued together. And then I kind of used a mix of blue and green. And by the time you cover them up, I can't really decide. I don't know that this is the right paper for a boy. I don't know that a boy would even really care by the time you cover it up. I may see if I've got some other fun little papers. But, if I glue this on front and back, you know, and then put the papers on there and the matching clip and a little pencil. This would be a cute little writing tool, just something fun for a little boy to get. So anyway, I'll be making up a few and I'll go ahead and film it, but I'll just turn on some music so you can watch while I piddle and try to create some things and use up some of my supplies. But don't throw away those calendars. If they have designs on them you like, especially when they're thick paper, shiny like this, they make darling. Like this is beautiful for like a birthday card. And anyway, I've already used that. It looks very professional. So anyway, let's get started. See what we can create. Just sit back, relax, get some ideas, and let's see what we can come up with.